tell you a secret real quick. You know why people get took advantage of so easily and so quickly, and they always complaining about someone did something to them, and they had to tuck their tail, or they couldn't say nothing in this situation or that situation, and now they coming out and speaking up. You know why that? Because people want someone else to take care of them, and they're willing to not say nothing or turn the turn their head or turn the other cheek to get what need to be done, so that way they can get to that next level. So they're willing to let someone fuck them. They're willing to let someone take advantage of them. So if you don't want nobody to take advantage of you, you don't want nobody to fuck you, then I would say it's time to start doing some things on your own. Start doing some homework, some research on your own. Start figuring out how to do this instead of just having someone do everything for you. And then once you get took advantage of, then you crying and hurt and, oh man, they did me. Oh man, I'm in the hole. Oh man, I'm look. Come on now, do a little homework for yourself. You know what I'm saying? Or start networking with someone that's already there. You know, don't be intimidated to network with someone. Don't be scared to spend your money to go and get there. Or you gonna go through that situation. So it's all up to you. If you want someone to fuck you, then let someone else take care of your dream and your vision. Hog on.